today we're going to make.
What are you
Can
gonna
you
make
guess?
today, EJ?
Egg!
Egg?
No!
No, what is it?
What is it, everyone?
It's what?
Egg!
Pancake.
Egg! Mommy, need egg!
Ah, yeah, we need egg. You're correct, we need egg. But what we're gonna do is pancake. Oh, now,
Pancake.
that's
La,
all.
la, la, la. Mickey, oh pancakes, oh pancakes. Look at all they going to make. Mommy, pancake.
We will put one medium-sized egg. Where's your egg, EJ? Where's your egg? Put it there. Crack.
Mommy, no!
Oh, now we're back.
Have a bag. And
Oh, you
also,
hold the egg, ate. It's your turn. You no, like this. Oh. No, you hold it like this. Hold it like that. Oh, and then you like that. Crack. Oh, EJ.
Not
Okay.
too hard.
Oh, EJ. No. Oh.
Pancake.
Oh, and then you crack it. Crack it.
But mommy, that's two eggs.
Wala tayong nalagay kanina.
Mommy, that's two
Oh,
eggs.
now, what's next? We will put 2 tablespoons of oil.
2 tablespoons of oil.
Oh, you hold this.
Here.
You hold 2 tablespoons.
I love it.
No, small lang, EJ. 2
Oh, that's
tablespoons.
small. I like small.
2
That's too big.
Oh,
Okay,
yan.
that's
Yan,
enough.
yan. Okay.
Wait.
You look like mom. You don't follow instruction, huh?
What? My turn.
And
My
then-
turn to put the oil. Is it too oil for baby last time?
Konti. Oh, sige.
Was it too for baby?
Yeah.
Wow.
And then-
I love Biwa.
Half cup of milk. Oh,
Cup of
milk.
Okay.
Milk. You hold it.
Milk time.
No, the hair.
Okay, that's
You put it there.
now
No, mixing. Now we will. You mix it, ano? Mix it a bit.
Mix it a bit, bacon. Mix it a bit. Okay, mix it a bit.
Not overmix, ha?
Okay, tell me if it's done. Yeah.
It's done? You want to read it, ha? If it's done? Not only. And then, before the hot cake. Wait, here, hot cake. Wait,
Oh,
oh.
that's a hot cake.
Mami, open first. Okay?
Yeah. It's a chocolate. Give me that cake.
Like you want to be with the gimbals. Gimbals. It is only comes in. Okay, where's your pancake? Okay. This way. Is it? You put it first, okay? What is it? Done mixing? Yes. And then we prepare the stove in the pan. So you can cook it. Bless you. Bless you. You prepare the pan, okay, EJ? Oh, you say see you later.
To be continued.
What EJ will do? EJ will cook. What? What you gonna cook?
Pancake.
Pancake.
Now
Excuse me, ate. This one. You will scoop. Oh, you scoop now and then you put it there. Oh, you put it there. Oh, you put it there. It's hot. Ano ginawa mo? Yeah, it's okay. Daddy's order. Daddy ordered pancake.
Can we make some more for us?
Uh-huh, of course. Just wait until it's cooked like Daddy Pig, right?
Daddy Pig.
Yeah, you oh, careful. Careful, that's hot. Yeah. Oh, you wait, okay? Wait until the later ang nuggets. Will also cook. You say will also cook. Nuggets and later. She will not gonna mix it. This one like that. Later, it's still not yet. It's not yet. Careful. Stop, those are easy. It's not yet. So sticky, you see? So sticky. We will it's still sticky. It's still hot. No, no, no what? No. What? No touching. Be careful. Be careful, careful. Be careful, careful. Baby ba said? Be careful, careful. Be careful, careful. Are you hungry? Are you hungry already? Wait. Be careful, careful. Wait, oh, careful, careful. I don't touch there. What? Is it hot or cold? Is it hot or cold, EJ? It's hot. So it's gonna be ouchie. Yeah. Not yet. Not yet. You cannot leave it. EJ Chef? EJ Chef? Cook us some pancake, EJ Chef? We're cooking us some pancake, EJ Chef? EJ Chef? EJ Chef? Is the pancake already cooked? Not yet. Not yet. EJ Chef? You wait for EJ Chef, no? Daddy is in a meeting pa. Daddy ordered what? One pancake. Yes, EJ Chef. EJ Chef. Daddy's pancake is murdered. EJ Chef. Look, EJ Chef. You're cooking. EJ Chef. Be careful, careful. EJ Chef. What are you cooking for us today, EJ Chef? Chef EJ. Pancake. What flavor? Chocolate? What else you gonna cook for us after pancake? What's that? Nuggets? And what else? Cheese? We put cheese on top. You don't want butter and honey? With honey? Honey? Daddy want honey? And fried egg? Okay, Chef EJ. Cook. Whee! One pancake. Down. Oh, EJ Chef, cook again. Cook again one, EJ Chef. It breaks, of course. Careful, EJ Chef. EJ Chef. Too much, EJ Chef. Okay. Oh, wait, cook. Can you taste it, ate? It's yummy? It's crunchy. It's crunchy. Oh, taste it, EJ Chef. How's your pancake? Yummy. EJ Chef, is yummy? It's sweet? It's yummy? Now, honey, later when Daddy's eating it, okay? EJ Chef na po. There's the first pancake. The second pancake is cooking. Still cooking. EJ Chef. EJ Chef na po. Chef EJ, still cooking your pancake. Oh, there's baby pancake. Oh. Baby pancake and EJ pancake. Oh, EJ Chef, EJ. Chef EJ nga po. EJ Chef. Chef EJ. EJ Chef. Chef EJ. We're on 2 batch. 2 pa lang kami, ate. EJ Chef. At next, ate will cook, okay? EJ Chef, yeah, you wait for the pancakes to be cooked. EJ Chef. You stay there. EJ thirsty? Your second pancake. Now, what's next? Ate's turn. Now, what you gonna cook now, Chef EJ? You will cook what? Egg. Fried egg. Oh, you hold it like that. Then you hold this. Then you tap. Then you crack. Whee! Oh, next. Other one.
Another one on the other side.
Crack. Whee! Oh, now you put salt.
I don't
transparent. It's transparent. It's super little, oh.
But I can see it when it falls down.
What's what's daddy's order?
A pancake.
Pancake with egg. Oh, you mix it, baby. Ano, Chef EJ, properly.
Wow. Wow, how is it so cooked so fast?
Egg cook fast.
Okay, now
Ano this one?
what?
Later pa yung nuggets. You hold it properly.
I mean, not what?
Nuggets? Later
No,
pa.
I want one.
No, this one's for frying. This is daddy's now. Right? It's properly. Oops. It's hot today. Oh, EJ, Chef EJ. Chef EJ. It's hot. Okay, so, put it on the bake. Put it on the bake. Okay, thanks, Chef EJ. Put it on the bake, Sashi. Careful, careful. That's why you do. Be careful. Okay. Daddy's order. Yay! Ta-da! EJ's cook. Pancake, okay, pancake with egg. Like it? It's cook?
Nugget.
Nuggets! Oh. Put them. You get nuggets. Next. Next. It's okay with washing. That's the breading. Carefully put it there. You put everything first. Oh, there. That's the breading. Careful, ah. Oh, next that. Oh. EJ's nuggets.
Daddy nugget.
That's nuggets. How about EJ's food? Daddy will cook your food?
No, easy.
EJ will cook. Okay. Put it. Careful there. You need to fry it. Yeah, fry. You need to wait until it's frying. EJ needs a beer. Yeah, you put salt. It's ready to flavor. Oh, sige. There's nothing there. Where's the sauce? Yeah, barbecue sauce natin. Barbecue sauce. Okay, right? Very okay. The chicken fillet, you cut it in small, then you put breading.
Chicken food.
Yeah, the chicken. If it's chicken, yeah, chicken breast with no bones, cut it in bite size.
Mommy, chicken food. Mommy, we can make.
You can also do it with fish.
Mom, do you remember what I said?
What?
Give me one for both chicken, one for cat, and one for mom.
Okay, we'll prepare it so everyone can choose where they want to dip. Okay.
For mustard. Next is me.
What you gonna cook first? What you gonna cook first? Pancake or you scoop one?
Three, one. This is one is like honey.
It's still konti. No, you need, okay, that's good. You're good.
Mommy,
Yeah, yeah. Pancake, for pancake. Just pancake.